What's up, Ford F100 World? It's CraigerCoClassic here. I'm out here at Branson, Missouri, right off 76 at the Ozark Mountain Run show, and I forgot my sunglasses. And there's a bunch of just F100s here, hundreds if I could guess, and most of them are pristine, so I'm gonna have a great time walking around here looking at all these. It's at the spinning wheel inn, and they've got vintage parts or vintage air type stuff. They're selling used parts, and you got KC Obsolete, I believe, is here, and a bunch of other stuff. Some cool trucks here, definitely. So I'm gonna start walking around. All right, let's do this. This is my dad's 64. This is actually probably the reason why I like Ford trucks. It was Grandpa's truck. I think it was like second owner with my grandpa, and it was the farm truck. And he had it for a while, sold it to my uncle. My uncle used it for a long time, sold it back to my grandpa, and then I think my uncle got it when my grandpa passed, and then my dad got it from my uncle. So it's been in the family for a while. And my dad redid the truck in '97, I believe, and I was part of that. I was a young kid then. And this is probably the reason why I like Ford trucks. It's a 1964 short bed custom cab.
Not a problem, glad to help.
I love it. Probably still love driving it. It came with a straight 6. I forget which cubic inch. It's not the 300 or anything, but it was the generation before that. And my dad put a 289 in it, which is a little runner. And this right here, you guys recognize, it's Eric's truck. 460 in there, 4-link. Thing's a beast. He did the Explorer spring lowering. I don't think he cut anything, but he might have, and like cut a spring, and it's doing good. And he did these shocks, which I thought was cool. Let's see those new CC. Well, here's one. Boop, representing. And Eric is he's always representing our club. He's got his shirt right here. Booyah! Should be out here, John. The heck. Anyway, here's my truck. It's nothing special, but I like it. I'll let you guys look at it. Some of you guys haven't seen it. It's a little 302 tire, 302. I'm building an 88 for it. Upgraded to the universal booster. I really like that MC I'm using. Speedmaster, I think it's like a P91 coil, if I remember correctly. And 3-inch outlet headers on 2.5-inch pipe. To 40 series Flowmasters. And then here's my bucket seats, man. That's an early 60s Falcon console. Bump cider plaque, fortification.com. And I did Rally Pack F600 gauge cluster. And I think that's off of a steering wheel off of 64, which is hard to tell anyway, but I like this. And then there's quite a few fridges here, actually. Good music here. I really like these wheels. Love that. got the same brake booster. What's up, Drew? Just come out to Missouri. It's right here. I know this guy too. Pretty cool dude. It's 1969, I believe. Yeah, come on. There you go. Bad to the bone. Booyah! Whoop! Really cool guy. Good old boy. Found this truck. Paid some pretty good money for it, but I feel like it's fair. It's a real solid truck, and I love the paint on it. It's a real farm truck used, but a little bit of unique accents from back in the day. And he went with the right tires. What's up, Matt? I'd like to see that. Thanks again, Matt. This is an oldie but a goodie. Okay. I like that. I think I talked to this guy. I want to say that's an actual Ford racing engine crate motor. Man, the glare is killer. Ooh, new seats. Comfy. Hey, Ranger Ford. Let me get away from this music. This is for sale. Kind of a truck, Ranchero. Hey, I'm out here, Ranger. I'm out here in Branson, Missouri, off 76, and this is called the Ozark Mountain Run. It used to be where the what is it? Dang it! Show Me F100 show was. Pretty much is the same thing. Some would argue. You guys remember the that truck over there? Randall's truck? This is his son's. Hey, what engine's this?
302.
Nice. I like those headers. You got any plans for it?
Not yet.
No?
Nope.
Make money, one, and then two, you're gonna
There we go.
go to college, and then hey, how are you? I like this touch with the bikes. Yeah, Ranger, they do. They do it every year. Booyah! Mind your way.
No, you're fine.
Yeah, every year, I think it's like the first or second weekend. I'm going to say that, and it's probably wrong, but it's usually in this month, so June or July. I think it's consistent. It's cool. I like this. I like that motor. That's cool. Yeah, Ranger, you should come out here next year.
Yeah.
And the hotels are cheap out here in Branson. There's tons of motels. 1966. Sweet, I like that. It's clean. Howdy.
Hey.
I like the big back tires. Let me know if you guys want to see anything. Here's where it began. That's cool. This one's got a cool story to it. I'm gonna do a video on this truck at some point. He's got both the decals from I think 2 or 3 separate years. I like that. That was cool. It's like a good touch. Nice, good old boy truck. I love these. I love that front grill. It's so ugly. It's good. One of those body styles that just something just looks good, even though it's just 60s funky. And this year right here is my favorite. That is my favorite. 57, I believe. Yep, 57. What it is, it really does look like a fridge, though. It's funny, those fridges from like the 50s, 40s, 50s, 60s still run today. That's cool. Music. That's cool. Not even a dent. Look at that. I'm sure this truck was used a lot. Oh, that's why. That explains it. I wonder if these two are owned by the same guy and that's where the shell was.
Maybe.
He put it on this instead. Cool. Look at those wheels. This one's a rhino line or something. Boy, that rhino line could take some skin off. Holy crap. Yeehaw. Good tire choice. I like this one. It's like a Model T bucket roadster truck. Oh, did I get in the way? I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Cool truck right there. I hope he doesn't do anything with it, man. That's just how it should be right there. Beauties. Talked to him today. He's a cool guy. Dude, I want to do the wood bedding there on my truck.
I'm a Ford guy, but my wife has
Cool. That thing's ready to go. I need to put fuel injection on mine, man. Oh, I just love that car, bro. 1953, man. Woo. What's up, Patrick Martin? How you doing?
fall down like that.
Huh?
You're gonna fall down like
I know. I just hope nobody's behind me every time I back up. I did, yeah. Yeah. You're a good sized fella. I got a bunch of 2XLs, stuff like that. You want to come look at it here in a bit? Okay. I'll get done down here and I'll be over by my truck.
Yep.
Thanks, man.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
I'm sorry.
Well, you're all right. I'm in your way.
You what? Back in the sun. Well, yeah. This is, at least it's shaded right here.
I love the slicks, man. That body style just represent the 60s so well. I like this yellow. It's like a banana parakeet kind of mix. I don't like that. Ooh, look at those. Hey, look at this. Little baby onesie. Hi. It's bright out, isn't it? Hi. That's cool. You guys can order. Yeah. It was cool. And thank you so much. In the intro of today, we did put our hand over the heart, listen to the anthem, and pray. Thanked all of the veterans, and they took a picture of that baby with that shirt on, waving the American flag. It was really cool. That's cool. Look at that. See, that's what I want to do. That's cool. Oh, Cadillac. Cool.